Adjective. An adjective describes nouns and pronouns. That is to say, we use adjectives in sentences in order to give more information or in order to identify nouns and pronouns only. It is very important to remember adjectives are used to give information about only nouns and pronouns. In other words, nouns and pronouns can only be modified by adjectives. Now we are going to analyze the example sentences here. Here are 5 sentences, and in each of the sentences there is a word in red. These red letter words are adjectives. Beside them there are words which are underlined and italicized. These underlined and italicized words are either nouns or pronouns, and these are modified by the red letter adjective beside them. Now we are going to the first example. Just campus is green. If I ask, how is just campus? Of course the answer is green. So just campus is green. In this sentence, the word green is an adjective because it has modified or given information or described the noun campus. So how is the campus? Campus is green. Next one, this soup is not edible. So how is the soup? Not edible. How is the soup? Either it is edible or not edible. In this sentence, the word edible is describing the condition of the soup. Third example, he writes meaningless letters. In this sentence, meaningless is an adjective because it has modified the noun letters. So how are the letters? The letters are meaningless. Fourth example, she looks gorgeous. So how does she look today? She looks gorgeous. So how is she? She is gorgeous. In this sentence, she is a pronoun and it has been modified by the adjective gorgeous. The last example, this glass is breakable. In this sentence, the word breakable is an adjective because it has modified the noun glass. We have to remember that any word that gives information about a noun or a pronoun is an adjective. If you go to the second example here, this soup, in this sentence, this has been used before the noun soup. So in this sentence, the word this is also an adjective. Here are more examples. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This is a very nice example because in this sentence there are all the 26 letters of English alphabet, and this type of sentences are called pangram. In the sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Here the red words are adjective. The quick brown fox, the quick brown fox. These 3 words at the same time have described the noun fox. And again, the lazy dog. So how is the dog? The dog is lazy. In this sentence, the word or words the lazy have described the dog. So these are adjectives. She became very happy. How did she become? How did she become? She became happy. In the sentence, happy is an adjective because it has modified the pronoun she. Green fields soothe our eyes. In the sentences, green and our, these 2 words are adjectives because they have modified to nouns. So how are the fields? The fields are green. And whose eyes? Our eyes. Fourth example, she was disappointed. So how was she? She was disappointed. In this sentence, the word disappointed has given information about the pronoun she. Fifth example, her math test score was disappointing. So how was the score? The score was disappointing. In this sentence, the word disappointing is describing the score. She doesn't seem happy today. So how doesn't she seem today? Happy. In this sentence, the word happy has described the pronoun she. Here are some more examples of adjectives. Here in every sentence there is an adjective and the adjectives are in red and the clues beside them are underlined and italicized words. Here are some more examples, and in these sentences the words in red are adjectives and the words beside them, which are italicized and underlined, are the clues, which are either noun or pronouns. Adverb. An adverb describes three types of word. These are a verb, an adverb, and an adjective. That is, an adverb can modify a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. An adverb cannot describe any word other than these three types of words. Now we are going to explain some examples. The farmer works hard from dawn to dusk. In this sentence, the word hard, which is in red, is an adjective because it has modified the verb works. So how does he work? He works hard. So in this sentence, the word hard has modified the verb works. So it's an adverb. The second sentence, the boy was extraordinarily brilliant. In this sentence, the underlined and italicized word is an adjective. So how was the boy? The boy was brilliant. Now I am asking a new question. How much brilliant is the boy? Or how much brilliant was the boy? The boy was extraordinarily brilliant. Here, the word extraordinarily is adding more information to the adjective brilliant. So how much brilliant? He is extraordinarily brilliant. So in this sentence, the word extraordinarily is describing the adjective brilliant. So extraordinarily is an adverb. He usually walks very fast. In this sentence, very and fast, these two words are adverb. Why? If I ask, how does he walk? The answer is, he walks fast. So in this sentence, the word fast is describing the verb walks. And if I ask, how fast? The answer is very fast. So in this sentence, fast is an adverb because it has modified the verb walks, and very is also an adverb because it has modified another adverb, that is fast. We know adverb, adjective, and verb. These three words can only be modified by adverbs. That is, if any word in a sentence gives information about a verb, about an adjective, or about an adverb, then that will be an adverb. Here are some more examples. I am not going to read out the examples. Here notice that all the words in red are adverb and all the words beside them which are underlined and italicized are either verb or adjective or adverb. Here are some more examples. There are some words which end in ly, but these are not adverb, rather these are adjective, because you know adverbs are formed by adding ly at the end of adjective, but here we say these words are formed adding ly at the end of some nouns. That is, when nouns take ly at their end, these nouns become adjectives, not adverb. Here, look at the example. The word friend is formed by adding ly to the end of the noun friend. In the same way, cowardly is a noun, father, home, and time. These are also nouns. And here at the end of all these 5 words, we have added an ly, and we have added the ly at the end of some nouns. So these are actually adjective, not adverb.